Now let's see how actually we can perform a joining operation in a Microsoft Fabric. So as of now you can see we have connected with one of the data source, that is Excel. In this Excel you can see we have performed this all the kind of the transformation. If you want to just collapse it, just collapse it. You can see this is the first data source. What actually we will do, we will connect with any other data source also. For that what you have to do, go to the home, click on this, click on the more option. We are going to connect with the Lakehouse again, one lake catalog, destination Lakehouse. Click on the file, click on the global superstore, click on the create. Now this time what we will do, we will try to connect with the customer sheet. Previously we have connected with another, right? Now we'll connect with the customer sheet. So this is the customer sheet, we will connect with that. So on the top, that is a order data. Now on the bottom right, this is a customer data. Now what we will do, if you have to perform a join, so this is a two data source we have. One, this is the first, this is the second. Now what actually we wanted, based on these two data source, we want to join it and we want to create a new data source. So what actually I'll do, click on this three dot, click on the merge queries as new. So we want to create a new, right? So we will click on the merge queries as new. Merge query is just a replacement of a join. Means in a Fabric, for joining operation we have given the name as a merge. With the help of the merge we can perform a joining. So you can see it is saying like the first table is a global superstore. What is the second table? So second table is this table. We can select that, right? Now after that you can see in the join what kind of the join operation you want to do. Left join, right join, full outer join, inner join, left anti, right anti, every option is available, and that actually you can do. Now if you had to do a join, right, so from the first table which particular column, this customer ID, right, so I'll select the customer ID. Now in the second table also we have a customer ID, so I'll select that. So both the column you have to select, and after that if you click on the left outer, right, you can see we can see 25,000 rows from the first table, means the left join operation is happening. So similarly if you had to perform a inner join, so click on the inner based on which particular column. So I'll select the customer ID and the customer ID. After that you will see how many records which is matching between the two table, that we can see 25,000 rows. So like that actually we can do. And if I'll click on the OK, if I'll click on the OK, what will happen, inner join operation will happen and the new data source will be created. Now you can see I am able to see the data. Here we should also have a customer data. So you can see the first table we can see, and the for second table also is available, and you can see in the table, if you click on the table you will be able to see the second table option, means what are the column which is available. That information also will be able to see, means both the table got merged and we are able to see into the this merge option. So like that actually we can perform a joining operation, and finally we can load into the final destination. So how to load into the final destination, that actually we will see in the next video.